All right, guys, cool. So what you want to do, you once you get into your LSM back office, you want to come over. You see where it says dashboard right here on the side over here. You want to come down to where it says marketing hubs. You want to click on marketing hubs. It's going to take you over to your marketing hub, and this here is your suite of everything. I mean, you're able to do everything right here under marketing hub. So what you want to do, you want to be able to create a sales video, or shall I say a sales page to put your video on, so that way you can use your video to sell whatever product it is you want. In this case, we're going to click on sales page wizard. And as you can see right now, it has plenty of options. You can do a blank landing page, you can do one with a colored background, or even an image background, which all of these are very cool. You guys can play with it on your own time. For this video sake, and just to save some time, I'm just going to do an example. I'm going to do a blank page for you guys real quick, just so everybody can get set up. Something quick, easy, simple. It's not a hassle. It doesn't really bother you or anything like that. It doesn't take any big time out of your day, or this step can be done right now. Very simple, very quick, very easy, because this is where most people get hung up at in the setup process. So let's get you set up right now. So let's do, okay, so right here we're in the sales page. As you can see here, all these rows of icons inside of your editor. You want to come down to this third row, and you want to add your video first, because this is a sales page, so it's a video sales page. So let's just go ahead and put the video in. Go over to embed. Now what you want to do, you want to come over to YouTube. Okay, come over to YouTube, and whatever you can put whatever video you want to here. So if it's your Netspin, you go into YouTube and grab whatever Netspin video you want. But for this example, we're going to do the Four Corners video. So I like this one. It's time to awaken the sleeping giant. So what I do, I come over to YouTube, I click on share. What you do when you click share, you want to go to embed, and you want to get the embed code. Then you just want to go Command C if you're on an Apple computer. If you're on a regular Windows, it's Control C. Then you want to come back over to your LSN. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. You want to come back over to your LSN back office, and under embed, you want to do Command V or Control V, all depending on what type of computer you're using, like I said earlier. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, here. Now you'll see your video pop up. You see that? Nice. And you can center your video. So to center your video, you come up here to your editor, you click on align center. Boom, you got your video centered. Now what you want to do, you want to add an image. So you just want to come to click outside of this box, click right here on the side here, and you just click. Once you click there, you should see the little cursor blinking. You see that little cursor blinking? Once you get that cursor blinking, you just hit enter or return, all depending on what type of computer you're on. Then you do that. Then what you want to do, you want to come up here to this part right over here, and you want to insert an image. Oh no, better yet, you want to upload an image. You're going to go to choose, and what you want to do to get the image on your computer, let me do that first. Let me get the image on my computer. So for this example, we're going to take this image right here. This is the image that puts that little this symbol on your website right here. So what you want to do, you're going to go to Google. You're just going to type in Four Corners Alliance Group. Let me do it real quick, just so everybody can see. See, I typed in Four Corners Alliance Group, then I clicked on images. All of this is in Google. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Then I came over to this image right here. You see it where it says what's included for your $18 with the symbols and everything in a cool list. I just clicked on it with my mouse. Then what you want to do, you want to right click on it. Sorry, guys. All right, so you want to use your mouse. So let me go back real quick. So click back. So let me go and grab my mouse. Hold on. All right, I'm back. So you want to grab your mouse. If you don't have a mouse, I'm not sure how this will work. It doesn't usually work for me without a mouse. So what you want to do, once you get your mouse, you want to come and right click on the image and you're going to save image as. Once you do that, it's going to download onto your computer. You can name it whatever you want to name it. And what you're going to do, I'm not going to do it because the image is already saved in my computer. So I don't need two images, but that's exactly how you want to do it. All right, so once you do that, you have your image, whatever image you want, guys. So when you is ready, when I show you how to put your button on, it's the same concept. You just go to Google, type in join now button or sign up button or whatever you want your button to say. If you go to Google, type it in and just click images, you'll see an image of that type of button, which is awesome. So what you want to do, let's get out of here, guys. Let's go back to our LSN back office. And let's choose the image. Once it's downloaded to your computer, you just go to choose file. And now you can choose all kind of different images. And just go to the image. Just go to the image because like I said, I downloaded it to my computer already. So let's find it. Where do I have it under? Here we go. Click on that. Click on open. Once it opens, you click on insert and you'll see your image pop up. Voila. And same thing like your video, you want to censor it. So you just come up to align center on your editor. Boom. Same thing. You got your cursor blinking. Now we're going to add our button or whatever you want. You guys, you can design this page however you want. You can put your picture, your phone number, your name, whatever you want. So, but just for this simple example, I'm going to just click enter or return, whatever you want. Okay, let me just take a sip of water real quick. You want your cursor underneath. All right. So we're going to do our button now. So we're going to go back up and do the same thing. Upload image. Choose the image that we want. Let me choose a button. I'm going to choose this one right here. Open. And guys, remember the same thing goes for the button. You can download any button, any image, anything you want. Insert. Same thing. Now, how you link your button, what you want to do, you want to come over here, highlight it, and you want to click on this little chain right here where it says insert edit link. You see this one? Not the one with the sparkles coming out of it. That's to take it away. This is to insert it. So you're just going to click on that. Then you're going to go and get your URL. So you're going to go inside of your four corners back office and you're going to get your sign up URL. So I'm going to get mine just for this example. Hold on, guys. All right, so let me go to my page. Okay, these are where I store my pages at. Like I do it a little different, but I'm showing you guys how to do it in your example. Okay. So let me go here. Let me go to embed code. Let me open up my page. Okay, so this is my page, and you see how I have my video and I have my video up top here. I have everything. And guys, You can design your page and make it look pretty on your own time and how you want to do it. I'm just going to show you how to set it up, how to get all of these stuff in here. You see how I got my image in here, and I have my button here, and how when someone clicks on this button, it takes them to my sign up page to where they sign up with me. So if you come down here, you'll see my name. Where is it? Yes, I verify Eldridge Brown is my inviter. And you want to make sure when you do your button that you come down here and you check and you make sure it says your name, so that way you get the full credit. Now I have my link tracked, but yours is going to say you know, four corners, whatever your username is. You just want to copy it like this. Same thing, Command C or Control C. Copy that. Come back to your LSN back office and insert your URL there. Command V. Now my URL is there. And we're good to go. We are ready to rock and roll. So now our button is linked to our application. So that way when somebody clicks it, it goes to us. We get the credit. All right, so guys, we're pretty much done with this page. And like I said, you can design it however you want, but it has the main things in it. It has the video to play for you. It also has the image for you that gives people that, basic description of what they're about to pay for. And it has the button to let them pay. And you have full control over the button. It goes to your page. All right. So now let's go and create. Okay. And let's not forget, always save after every step, so that way you don't lose anything. Just in case your computer goes down, or you have to walk away and you forget and you go to a new tab and you close your computer and you come back and you got to do it all over again. So make sure you always save after every step. Okay. So now let's create the capture page. And the capture page is a very important step, and to me, the most exciting step, because this is the part where you can collect the people's information. And why do you want to do that? Because a lot of times when people come to your website for the first time and they're viewing your offer, most people don't buy right away. Some of them do, but those that don't, you don't want to lose out on that sale forever. You want to make sure that they have a chance to get back in front of your information. So you want to collect some type of email, phone number, or name, or something that you can connect with them again. You understand? So you want to come over here. You want to click on Marketing Hub again, and we're going to come over to Capture Page Wizard. We're going to click on that, and this is so simple and easy. As you can see right here, it says edit in 60 seconds, and even less, because we're just going to do it like this. Okay, so we're just going to, there's options here just the same as the sales page. They have a background image, background color, background video, but just for the simple sake of this video, I'm going to do background image, and they give you very cool images, guys. These images look so pretty and so neat. So all you got to do, just come over, choose whichever image you like, or you can also upload your own image. But for the sake of this one, I'm just going to use one that they give us already. So let me choose. Let's see, which one do I want to choose? I'm going to create one right here on the fly with you guys. So let's choose this one. This one is pretty. Nice, pretty balcony, home office or whatever you want to call it. Beautiful view. So we're going to choose that one. We're going to click next. Okay. Now you're going to choose which fields you want on your capture page. Like I said, do you want to collect their first name, email, phone number, last name, address, whatever you want to ask them for, best time to call, zip code, city. I personally like to collect name, email, and phone. Most people only collect email because they say it converts better, meaning more people will just come to your page and just put their email in. If they got to do multiple steps like, name and phone and email, they might see that and go away. It's up to you. It's your business, however you want to do it. I like to put all three. So I'm going to leave all three of these checked off. So I'm going to go to next. Now they're going to, now you get to put your button. Okay. So let's do, let's do, which button do I want to put on this one here? Let's do get access. Okay. We're going to go next. Then we're going to choose our, now like what do you want to put there, like now, which is your headline. So this is like what's going to grab people's attention. I like this one here. Let's choose this one. Bad news first, some work required. The good news, easy hours and huge pay. And these convert very well, guys. And there's plenty of them. Like you can choose whichever one you want. Get a system that requires so little you can create a fortune with your daily spare change. Anyone that relates to the offer. So you can do that one. Like there's just plenty of them. And that's really what I love about it. These things are done very fast and very easy. At last, a system that unlocks the secret. What does that say? To creating your personal fortune on the internet. So, I'm just going to pick the one that I chose earlier, and that's this one up here, but you can choose whatever one you want. Go to next. And we're done. And now you just want to make a title to your page. I'm going to name my title the website that I got. And guys, I'm going to show you in another video how to set up a GoDaddy domain. So that way, instead of, you see how it says all of this long stuff, you can just make it say whatever you want.com. So let's just say you say mycoolwebsite.com. You can go to GoDaddy and buy it, and I'll show you how to forward it, and so that way whenever somebody clicks in my boom boom boom, whatever you choose, it'll go to whatever page you want them to go to, which is your capture page. So in the title, whatever you choose, and since I already chose one, I'm just going to go to my secret system. Okay. And you can do a description like, let's just say 3 steps to success and keywords. Let's do success. Let's do make money. Let's do secret and system. All right, then we just go to save. And now guys, we're done. We are done. So now we can view our page. And hold on, that's not the page. It's this page. So let's go there. Boom. And if you don't like how it looks, you can change it. You can go back and edit it. You can edit your page now. Okay, let's say you want to edit your image, right? Click on it. Or let's say you want to change your image. Just click on this here. Let it load up. Meantime, let me take a sip of my juice. Okay. Choose that image right there. Click on next. Same concept. Take you through the steps. You got your button. Let's say we want to change our button. Let's change it here. Something to match the page. Boom. We're going to use this button here. Click next. Or if you want to download your own button, yeah, I forgot to tell you, you can just click browse. But just for the sake of this video, use that. Same thing. Headline there. Next. Same thing. Same concept. So I just showed you how to change it. Then you come down and you view it again. See? And now you have your own page, your own capture page. Now let me show you how to link it to your website, to your sales page. Come under here, edit. Oh yeah, and you could even preview it, see how it looks on different devices. This is how it looks on a phone. This is how it looks on a laptop, or excuse me, a desktop. Okay. Save that. I'm just trying to let this page load up, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's do all of this. All right, so now what you want to do, you want to come under My Saved Pages. You want to go under Capture Pages you created to promote anything. You want to come all the way down. As you guys can see, I have plenty of pages. Then you just want to take the page you just created, or you might not have, of course you're not going to have as many pages as I do, but the one that you just created, you want to come down to Edit, and you want to go under Basic Settings, and you see where it says Redirect URL. You want to come and click here, and you want to go to the page that you created. Wait, let me close all of these pages out. You want to come over to the page that you created. You want to come up to the top of the page. Hold on. Let's see. Close this. So let's go to, first you want to open up your page. You want to make sure you have your page open up. So I don't. So what I'm going to do in this example, I'm going to go and open it first. So I'm going to go back to Pages, My Saved Pages. I'm going to go to Sales Pages. Which page is it? Let's see. This one. But how do I get to it? Okay. Okay, it's this one right here. So let's go to View Page. You want to come up top here, grab your URL, copy that, Command C, come back to Lead System Network, go back to Save Pages, capture pages you create, promote anything, go back to your example, edit, basic settings, paste that in there, and the redirect URL, the one you just copied, your sales page, the one that you created first with the video and the image and then the button. You just want to come over here like this and paste that where it says redirect URL. So click on basic settings, redirect URL, paste that in here, and you should see your username at the end. And you just want to save it. Once you save your changes, then everything will be set in motion. Okay. Then you just want to go and you want to test your page. So once you view it, you see it, you just test it, put your name in, just test it, put a test one in. Put fake phone number. Phone. Boom, it goes right to your sales page. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I know it was a little long, it seemed long, but we did this in under half an hour, so let's just get it, do it, let's crank it out, get it over with. And that was with delays and me pausing, letting pages load. So guys, as you can see, it does not take a hard time, a long time, and we can test it. We can click on it, it goes to our application. Boom, you see your name there. So a person can just come in, sign up, pay the $18. You get the credit, ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.